Say goodbye to takeouts because we have got something better. Crispy, golden and irresistible juicy chicken tenders, made fresh at home. Hey, welcome back to Lemon Kun. Today we are sharing the ultimate chicken tenders recipe that's sure to become your favorite. So let's jump right in. Let's kick things off with an amazing dip, creamy mayo garlic sauce. In a mixing bowl, add mayonnaise, mustard paste, pinch of salt, black pepper, a fresh or dry parsley, fresh chopped garlic, and honey. Mix it all together until smooth, then set aside for later. It's time to marinate the chicken. In a bowl, pour milk, add salt, paprika powder, black pepper, hot sauce, vinegar, and garlic paste. Mix it all up. Then take chicken strips, carefully add them to the mixture. Be gentle to avoid a mess. Oops, I made a little mess, but hey, that's part of cooking, right? Marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes. But for the best flavor, leave it overnight in the fridge. While the chicken is soaking up all those amazing flavors, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out our delicious recipes. Now let's make the dry mixture for coating. In a wide bowl, add all-purpose flour, salt, black pepper, red chili powder, baking powder, and dry oregano. Mix everything well until it's nicely combined. This coating will give us that signature crunch. It's time to set up our coating station. Take the marinated chicken strips and give them their first coat in the flour mixture. Make sure to toss them properly, then shake off the extra flour and place them on a dish. Once all the strips are coated, we'll double coat them for extra crispiness. Dip each strip back into the milk mixture. Then into the flour mixture again. Press it gently and shake it like this to create that crumbly texture we are aiming for. This is what makes them extra crispy. If you want to store them for later, lay them in a single layer on a tray and freeze. Once freeze, transfer them to an airtight container or Ziploc bag. Now, it's time to fry. Heat oil in a pan over medium to high flame. If you prefer a healthier option, you can use an air fryer, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Let them cook undisturbed for the first 2 minutes. Then fry until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This should take about 5 to 6 minutes per batch. And there you have it, crispy golden chicken tenders that look absolutely mouth-watering. Time to take a bite. It's so crispy and juicy. And that mayo garlic sauce, it takes it to a whole new level. You can also try them with your favorite dips. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Give your feedback in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling.